Hey everyone, the Vivo Y400 is Vivo's latest budget 5G smartphone release in India, aimed at users looking for strong performance and modern features without a flagship price. While it sits in the lower mid-range segment, the Y400 brings several high-end specifications that make it stand out among similarly priced competitors. At first glance, the Y400 impresses with its 6.67-inch AMOLED display. The screen supports a full HD+ resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, which ensures a smooth scrolling and gaming experience. It also gets quite bright, peaking at 1800 nits, making it easy to view outdoors in sunlight. Vivo includes eye care display certification, which reduces blue light exposure and makes long-term usage less straining on the eyes. Powering the device is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, built on a 4nm process. While this chipset isn't flagship level, it's a surprisingly efficient and capable performer for its class, especially with 5G support baked in. Paired with 8 gigs of physical RAM and support for 8 gigs of virtual RAM expansion, the device delivers respectable multitasking. Storage-wise, users have a choice between 128 and 256 GB variants, offering ample space for apps, media, and files. Battery life is another area where the Vivo Y400 shines. It's equipped with a massive 6,000 mAh battery, which is more than enough for 2-day usage on moderate settings. Even better, it supports 90-watt fast charging, a feature rarely seen in this price range. Vivo has also added a sizable cooling area to keep thermals in check during heavy use, whether gaming or extended video sessions. On the camera front, the Y400 houses a dual rear setup featuring a 50 megapixels main sensor and a 2 megapixel secondary camera, likely for depth or macro shots. While not groundbreaking, it should handle everyday photography reasonably well. For selfies and video calls, there's a 32 megapixels front camera that promises detailed captures. The phone includes a variety of premium extras. Audio is handled by dual stereo speakers with high-res audio support, adding an immersive layer to media playback. Security is managed through an optical in-display fingerprint scanner, and the device includes IP68 and IP69 ratings for water and dust resistance. Again, an impressive inclusion at this price point. Vivo's FunTouch OS 15, based on Android 15, comes pre-installed and brings new AI-based features like Circle to Search, which enhance user interaction. Altogether, the Vivo Y400 positions itself as a value-driven smartphone that doesn't cut corners where it counts. With strong display specs, battery life, and modern connectivity, it's a serious contender in the sub-$25,000 market bracket. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.